Hello, sir. Thank you for having me. My name is Harun B. Ariman, a 5th-year student of electrical engineering. And I'm going to be speaking to you today about the lecture 1, which is energy scenario and basic concepts. The energy scenario and basic concept is a part of power plant engineering. The power plant engineering or power station engineering is the division of power engineering, and is defined as the engineering and technology required for the production of central station electric power. The field is focused on the generation of power for industries and communities, not for household power production. This topic to be covered, the introduction, the energy scenario. I will discuss about a little about the energy scenarios and the laws of thermodynamics. The law of thermodynamics, the basic concepts for power generation or the conversion of heat into useful work. Kaya kailangan natin malaman yung about sa law of thermodynamics. Then, source of energy and loss is units. Energy of scenario. 1. National grid. By the way, what is national grid? National grid is one of the world's largest publicly listed utilities focused on transmission and distribution of electricity and gas. We play a vital role in connecting millions of people to the energy they use safely, reliably, and efficiently. The One National Grid installed capacity of 330.86 gigawatts or 330.86 million kilowatts. India is the world's third largest producer and the fourth largest consumer of electricity. India's electricity sector is dominated by fossil fuels and a particular coal, which in 2016 produced about 2/3 of all electricity. The thermal power plants, the power plants. Thermal power plants is a power station in which heat energy is converted to electricity. Typically, water is heated into steam, which is used to drive an electrical generator. After it passes through the turbine, the steam is condensed and recycled to where it was heated. Hydropower plant, also known as water power, is the use of falling of or fast running water to produce electricity or the power machines. This is achieved by converting the gravitational potential or kinetic energy of a water source to produce power. Hydropower is a method of sustainable energy. Steam power. Steam power plants consists of a boiler, steam turbine, and generator and other auxiliaries. The boiler generates steam at high pressure and high temperature. The steam turbine converts the heat energy of steam into mechanical energy. The generator then converts the mechanical energy into electrical power. Gas power plants. A gas-fired power plant or gas-fired power station or natural gas power plants is a thermal power station which burns natural gas to generate electricity. Natural gas power stations generate almost a quarter of world electricity and a significant part of global greenhouse gas emission and those climate change. Hydroelectric power plants. Hydroelectric power plants, hydroelectricity or hydroelectric power is electricity produced from hydropower. In 2015, hydropower generates 16.16% of the world's total electricity and 70% of all renewable electricity, and was expected to increase by about 3.13% in each year for the next 25 years. Nuclear power plants. A nuclear power plant, or NPP, is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. As is typically a thermal power stations, heat is used to generate steam that drives a steam turbine connected to a generator that produces electricity. Law of thermodynamics. Law of thermodynamics deals with the concept of heat and temperature and their conversion of heat in other forms of energy. I-discuss ko lang itong law of thermodynamics sa another videos. Isa-separate ko yung discussion niya. Then source of energy. Fuels are these repositories of energy that consume to provide energy services such as heating, transportation, and electric generation. Approximately 95% of the primary energy in the world comes from fuel like oil, coal, and natural gas. Water. Hydropower or hydroelectric power is a renewable source of energy that generates power by using a dam or diversion structural to alter the natural flow of a river or other body of water. Nuclear. Nuclear is a zero-emission, clean energy source. It generates power through emission, which is the process of splitting uranium atoms to produce energy. The heat released by fission is used to create steam that spins a turbine to generate electricity without the harmful byproducts emitted by fossil fuels. Wind power is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators for electric power. Wind power is a popular, sustainable, renewable energy source that has much smaller impact on the environment compared to burning fossil fuels. Solar. Solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. Tidal power is harnessed by converting energy from tides into useful forms of power, mainly electricity using various methods. Geothermal power. Geothermal power is electrical power generated from geothermal energy. Biomass. Biomass is energy generated or produced by living or once living organism. Biomass is organic, meaning it is made of material that comes from the living organism, such as plants and animals. Fundamental units. Fundamental units is kailangan natin gamitin to, ginagamit to para sa pag-solve ng mga problems. At kailangan din natin para ma-identify natin kung ano yung ginagamit nating units. Why fundamental units are important? First is the accuracy. Accuracy in the fundamental units is essential because all measurements are ultimately expressed in terms of fundamental units and can be more accurate than are the fundamental units themselves. The principle behind the international system of units is to provide some values for measurements such as length, weight, and time, no matter where in the world measurement is performed. That's all. Thank you.